Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to turn off hints on Gardenscapes. So let's go ahead and jump in straight into the video. So open your Gardenscapes application and start playing the game. Whenever you are playing a level, you will be able to see hints given to you if you're stuck on it for a while. From the gameplay page, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the bottom right, and then you should be able to see this icon where it shows your hand gesture right next to the power button. Simply tap on it in order to disable hints on Gardenscapes. But in some cases the button might not work, so in that case you can simply ignore the hints given to you from the game and continue playing using your own strategy. You will not need to follow the hint, so you can simply choose to ignore the hint and continue playing the level on your own. If there is no hint button available in your gameplay, consider updating your game. Simply go ahead and open your App Store or your Play Store and check out for the latest updates of Gardenscapes. Sometimes after updating, the latest release for the game might come up with some of the options that is not yet available on your game. If you still can't find an option to disable hints, then consider reaching out to the game's customer support. Simply tap on the settings icon at the top right from the main homepage and tap on help and support. Now here you can go ahead and ask for any help that you need throughout the game. You can directly chat with the customer support by tapping on the chat with this button at the bottom, and make sure to mention the problem you are going through in the game. You can ask to them how you can turn off your hint, and you might be able to come up with a solution. So that is how you can easily turn off hint on Gardenscapes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.